Okay, we're going to show you how to reinstall the power supply and the audio unit in the R-390A after it arrives. This is the front panel. You can see it's upside down on the table. We've got two screws to take loose. One on the right and one on the left. Then we lift and push back, remove the bottom cover. On the left is your power supply. Here's the power supply. I want you to notice that there's three holes. 1, 2, 3 right here. 3 screws over here. Alright, then we just set the power supply down into the radio. Alright, then you position the bolts over the holes. You're going to tighten all 6 of them up, and then we've got a plug here, and you just simply plug it in. That's all there is to it. Then for the audio section, on this we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Okay. We just drop it in. So we screw down the 4 bolts. We plug in this plug in this plug. Then we replace the cover. So put in our 2 bolts. And that's it. We're done. Thank you for watching.